Best Practices for Afterpay Payment Schedule is a comprehensive guide designed to help you navigate the world of buy now pay later services. Afterpay is a popular payment method that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, interest-free. To get started with Afterpay, you need to understand the payment schedule. The payment schedule is typically split into 4 installments, due every 2 weeks. For example, if you make a purchase of $100, you will pay $25 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees. Afterpay charges a late fee of $10 or a percentage of the overdue amount, whichever is greater. To avoid late fees, make sure to have sufficient funds in your account before the payment due date. Best practices for managing your Afterpay payment schedule include setting up automatic payments, keeping track of your payment due dates, and having a budget in place to ensure you can make timely payments. You can set up automatic payments through the Afterpay app or website, which will deduct the payment amount from your account on the due date. Additionally, you can keep track of your payment due dates by setting reminders on your phone or calendar. Having a budget in place will help you manage your expenses and ensure you have sufficient funds to make payments on time. By following these best practices, you can avoid late fees and make the most out of the Afterpay payment schedule. Remember to always review the payment terms and conditions before making a purchase, and reach out to Afterpay customer support if you have any questions or concerns. In conclusion, understanding the Afterpay payment schedule and following best practices can help you manage your payments effectively and avoid late fees. By being mindful of your payment due dates and having a budget in place, you can enjoy the benefits of using Afterpay to make purchases online or in store.